Up, guys? Good morning. It's Tuesday, January 24th, 2017. Today in the airport lounge, I give you American Airlines Boeing 777-323ER in the scale 1-200 by skymarks. Now, this is a 2014 release. This livery was unveiled at Dallas Fort Worth in 2013. Now, I'm going to give you a tour of American's 777, starting with the PO tubes and stack ports and the cockpit windshield and windshield wiper. American Airlines is a founding member of Oneworld, as rated by Skytrax magazine as being one of the best. There's the L1 door right there. The new American Airlines livery. The customer code for the American's customer code, its engine customer code is 23. Come on, the wings. Down towards the tail section of the aircraft, the new American Airlines livery. I'll turn the aircraft around. The APU and the horizontal stabilizers. Come on the port and starboard side of the aircraft. The new American Airlines livery. Come on the tail section of the aircraft up towards the wings. The two General Electric GE90s. The new American Airlines livery. The galley and the cockpit, and that's it. Basically, American Airlines is a founding member of Oneworld, Qantas, British Airways, Finnair, Cathay Pacific, and Qatar is just some of the members of Oneworld. American Airlines has destinations to their hubs are Dallas Fort Worth International Airport, Chicago O'Hare, New York LaGuardia, Jacksonville International Airport, and Los Angeles International Airport. And their secondaries are Newark Liberty International, Philadelphia International, Phoenix Sky Harbor in Phoenix, Arizona, Sydney, Australia, Tokyo Narita, Beijing Capitol, London Heathrow, Amsterdam Schiphol, Paris Charles de Gaulle, Frankfurt, Flugenhafen, Frankfurt International Airport, Madrid, Barcelona, Lisbon in Portugal, Rome, Istanbul, Tel Aviv, and Johannesburg, South Africa, and Sao Paulo, Brazil. Well, I hope you enjoy this review, and this review will be posted on YouTube. So, like always, like, comment, subscribe. Until next time, this is Captain 838 from the Airport Lounge. I'll see you next time.